Yeah, morning one in our new location, going really, really good. Thank you for breakfast, Robert.
Welcome.
Okay, everybody, this is an update for since when I left the RTR to get better and rest, and we tried. We really, really, really tried. Okay, so we left the RTR and we went to a spot that we really like, and it has good internet, but it was taken. And so then we went to go join some friends of ours, but the internet there didn't work. And then we finally found a lovely spot and spent the night there, only to get up the next morning and find out there was like almost zero internet. We don't know what happened because we did a speed test before we camped there for the night. So we spent the night there. Then we decided we've really got to get some work done, and a wonderful patron and friend gifted us a hotel room. And so we went to a hotel room, and I'm just going to tell you right quickly, and I'm not even going to mention the hotel chain because they are giving us a partial reimbursement, and the guy was really nice, but the phone didn't work, the internet didn't work, there was no hot water, there was the door didn't seal, and you could see outside. The pool and the hot tub, which we didn't really care, but it was under maintenance. It was just a fiasco. And so we left there this morning, and we went and we spent several hours trying to find another camping spot, and we finally gave up.
Go down this road a little way, she says. This looks like a good road.
No.
It doesn't look too bad, she says.
No. No.
I cannot believe there's a stinking wash that big in the middle of that road.
And deep.
And sandy.
But you thought you're the one, nuh-uh.
No, the road...
You found this road, not me.
Yeah, the map does show it going through, but oh my goodness, I did not believe...
Yeah, he's putting
and it goes through. It's a really good road to that wash.
He's trying to put it on me, you guys,
it was
but
good
this
to get
was
on the other
his
side of the wash.
road.
It was good to get on the other side of the wash.
Yeah.
It was sandy.
Can't get to from the good road to the good road because of a bad wash.
Well,
and it doesn't even look, until you get right on it, you can't tell how horrible it is. But it is not my fault.
yeah, so we just turned around, had to drop the car off, turn the car around, back the van out, hook them back up again.
And I have to say that he did get irritated, of course, we both are, but I am very privileged to travel with a man that takes it in stride, does what needs to be done, and we're back on the road.
Yeah.
And forked over the money at the Blue Water Casino in Parker, and it's lovely. It's more. It's actually less than the room that was really skanky, but it's more than our budget, and it's out of our pocket this time. But we've got to get rest, and we've got to get work done, and we've got to have good internet, and it is meeting our needs. And look at this beautiful view. I just noticed they have boat rentals. I tell you, from somebody that used to have money, I can tell you, having money doesn't suck. Just saying. So, but we are here, and we are going to make the most of tonight and the next night, and go teach our class on Wednesday. And we never forget for a moment that we are blessed with people that support what we're doing and support us in so many ways of showing love and care and concern. And there are times when having to have internet that's beyond just internet to be able to use the social media or watch videos or the things that you normally do on internet. When you are editing and uploading data that uses the gigabytes we use, you have to have very good internet. And there are times it makes life out here pretty difficult, like these last couple of days when we needed rest the most. But it's all good now, and I believe we are going to be able to have a live chat tonight because of the room that we're in. And so I'm going to, as always, choose to focus on the positive. Keep on keeping on, everybody. We'll see you down the road.
Debra, I'll give you $1 if you take that pulley thing over and drop on the water.
How many zeros did you add to that?
Just one.
Yeah.
No zeros, $1. 2 zeros after the decimal point.
You add about 3-4 more zeros and you might have a deal.